When diagnosing a blower, you should use personal protective equipment whenever there is any chance of contact with sharp metal, moving parts, or live electrical components. Blower compartments often hide thin sheet metal edges and fasteners that cut skin and can snag clothing, so wear insulated gloves with cut-resistant lining and snug cuffs to keep dexterity for tools and sensing. Eye protection is essential because debris and dust can eject when panels are removed or when run testing a system, so use safety glasses with side shields or a face shield for confined spaces. Always verify the power is completely off for the circuit and the unit using a properly rated voltage tester and lockout tag to prevent accidental reconnection. And consider testing both the supply and the motor leads, since some systems have multiple feeds. If you must run the blower briefly to observe behavior, use a spotter, keep hands clear of guards, and use an insulated tool to trigger controls from a safe distance. Never reach into the compartment while it is energized. For jobs with potential arc flash risk, check the equipment labeling for energy levels and follow applicable arc flash clothing recommendations. When unclear, treat the panel as higher risk and use heavier rated protective clothing. Maintain good lighting and a clean workspace so you do not kneel or reach blindly around sharp edges, and always replace any protective covers and secure panels before powering the system back on. Common mistakes include assuming power is off when it is not, which can lead to shock, so always use a voltage tester and lockout procedures before touching internals. A frequent issue is using insufficient hand protection that permits cuts and punctures. So, upgrade to insulated, cut-resistant gloves, and change them when worn. Another common error is performing inspections in poor light or cramped posture, which increases slips and accidental contact. So bring a hands-free light and reposition the unit or your body to work comfortably and safely. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical safety tips, tool recommendations, and hands-on troubleshooting advice.